Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin access and a stable connection. This lets you install drivers without interruptions. Once ready, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and toggle Bluetooth on. If Bluetooth isn't listed, make sure to open Device Manager and expand Bluetooth to locate the adapter. This reveals whether Windows detects the hardware. Now that you can see the adapter, you're ready to update drivers. Proceed to the next step for detailed driver updates and Windows Update checks. You should now update the driver from Device Manager. Right-click the adapter, choose Update Driver, and try Search automatically first because Windows may find a certified driver. If that fails, open Settings right arrow Windows Update, right arrow Optional Updates, and check drivers. Windows sometimes stages newer drivers there. Make sure to cross-check your Bluetooth adapter model and download drivers from the OEM website if needed. Manual installers often fix advanced firmware issues. Once installed, restart Windows to complete the driver deployment and prepare for final verification. After reboot, Verify Bluetooth appears in Settings and attempt to pair a known device. This confirms the update worked. If pairing fails, run the Bluetooth troubleshooter under Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Troubleshoot, right arrow Other troubleshooters, because it automates common fixes and service restarts. If still broken, open Device Manager, choose Properties right arrow Driver, and use Rollback Driver or uninstall, then reinstall the OEM driver. This reverses back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.